You can give someone the moderator role to manage your Discord server. This tutorial River will guide you how to make someone a moderator on Discord, mobile and PC. First of all, let's see the whole process in computer. On your PC, open Discord and open the server and go to the server settings. And we need to create the moderator role first. So select your roles, create role, and give the role name moderator. Pick a color for your moderator role, then go to permissions. And now it's time to customize permissions for your moderator role. So I'm going to giving these permissions for my moderator role. And clicking on save changes. Once the moderator role created, it's time to add people to the moderator role. To do that, make sure to select the moderator role here and click on manage members. Click on add members to this row and select the member whom you want to give the moderator role. You can add multiple people at the same time and click on add. And this is how we can make someone moderator in Discord in PC. Now let's see the process in mobile. On your mobile, open the Discord app and open the specific server. Now tap on the server name at the top. Tap on settings. Here, tap on roles. Create role. Give the role name moderator. Pick a color for the role. And click on create. Once the moderator role created, tap on it. Tap on permissions. And you can adjust permissions from here. And now it's time to add people to the moderator role. Tap on the moderator. Tap on members. Search for the member you want to add. Tap on add members. And now you can select people to add to the moderator role. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.